Hi folks, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heine, physical therapist.
Today we're going to talk about how to treat upper back pain. That's between the shoulder blades.
Particularly with laptop use, cell phone use, our head goes forward, going to the screen, which brings our thoracic spine and mid-spine into that rounded position. And day after day, month after month, year after year, that can cause those ligaments to tighten up and that spine to become in that hunchback position. We need to correct it, and these exercises can really promote that and get you back into that posture, saving a lot of pain down the road.
Today we have a guest, Shannon.
Welcome.
Shannon. So she's
so great to meet you guys.
Guinea pig. We're having her lie on this mat today. Normally you would do this on the floor. We're trying to stretch basically 6 spots.
So we got down the spine here. We do not want to put it on the spine. We're going to go about 2 inches off to the right and then down between the shoulder blades and there, and then the exact same on the left side.
So why don't we put it in place once and just have her lay back.
Yep.
Lie back. And that's probably, you don't feel anything, do you?
Because on a cushion plinth
Right,
or
it gives
bed,
way too much.
The ball sinks into this and then you don't get the benefit. So this is the back pod. This is much more
Let's put it
rigid.
right above there.
Yep, and we're going to be off to the right side of the spine.
Now you probably feel that more. If that's too much, start with a pillow underneath your head. So what you want to do along with this now is actually take your hands and put them behind your neck
Okay.
and stretch, and now take the pillow once per bread.
The goal is to go without the pillow.
Really pull it. Now you're
Wow.
stretching the shoulders, you're stretching the back. You only need to do this like 30 seconds in one spot.
Okay.
And then hit the 6 spots.
What you may want to do, if you can adjust your body, come this direction so it moves down on the right side of the spine,
Okay.
like an
Yeah,
inch or
there
two.
you go.
We're trying to loosen up the vertebra as well as where the ribs connect to the vertebra so that frees up that
So
area.
we're talking about just a couple minutes. You hit each spot every morning, and then if you want to, you could also hit it in the afternoon.
If you're at your chair, you're working at your computer and whatnot, and you realize, oh, I need to stretch out. If you take a ball like this, it needs to be a soft ball. You can put that wherever you feel it needs to be. And it may be more than one location. And then you stretch back, similar to what you were doing there, and you'll stretch back.
It works so easy.
And I'm going to move it up a little bit, and you'll probably feel different, a certain area that needs it more.
Like
There you
that.
go. It really gives a good stretch. This is one you can't do enough. You can do it throughout the day.
Yep.
And the final thing, I want to get a little bit of strengthening for those muscles. We're going to send this band along with you, and all you do is grab it like this and you spread it apart like this, and you squeeze your shoulder blades together while you're doing it.
When you do an exercise like this, are you holding it at the end, or are you just trying to do like a rep?
You're not going to do it fast.
Right,
It's
I'd
gonna
say
be-
5-second hold. And
The whole idea is we've stretched things out to good posture, and then we strengthen these
Start
muscles
strengthening, yeah.
to maintain posture.